In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a series of broadcasts to move through some different scenes. A broadcast is similar to how a television station works in the sense that it sends a signal up into space, and then that signal is bounced back down to all the different satellites and antennas that are located in the area, and if you are tuned into that station, you receive the broadcast signal. In Scratch, it works similarly, where we can send out broadcasts to the entire program, and certain sprites or certain stages or backdrops that have that particular signal, and is looking for that signal, it'll do certain things, and those certain things is what we do, is what we're commanding or programming that sprite or backdrop to do. You'll notice that in my program currently, I have a when green flag is clicked. I also have when this sprite is clicked. I have 4 backdrops. I have a space, a moon, underwater, and my title backdrop. You'll notice here I also have another when green flag is clicked. So currently when I press my cat glides across the stage. So I want to add a few other additional ideas to this. So I'm going to focus on when I receive this message and when I broadcast message. So I'm going to click broadcast message, and I'm going to connect that, and then I'm going to create a new message. I'm going to call this new message moon, because I want to switch from my title page to my moon page. So when I click my cat, I'll get it back to the original position. I click my cat glides and then sends out this signal. But I need to insert and create an antenna or a radio that will pick up that signal. I'm going to click back on my backdrops. I'm going to drag when I receive. Notice now I have moon. So when I receive moon, I want my backdrop to switch to the moon backdrop. So I'm going to drag over, switch backdrop, and then I'm going to choose moon. So when I click my green flag, my cat goes back. I click, drag over, and notice that it switches automatically over to the moon backdrop. So we're going to add a couple other features here. I can also have my cat do something when we broadcast moon. So I'm going to switch over this to moon. And I want my cat to also change position. And I want my cat to go, let's say, up here. I'm going to click and drag over glide 1 second to this new position. Press my green flag to start over again. Click my cat. And again, it switches to the moon. Now the cat also moves up. I can also do a few other additional features. Let's say that I want my cat to say something. Have my cat say hello. Again, press my cat, switch, and he says hello. So I want to also switch to another scene as well. So I'm going to create a new broadcast signal. I'm going to connect broadcast, new message. I'm going to create space as my new message. So now he's going to broadcast space. Click back over to my backdrops. Do a new when I receive. Again, I'm going to now choose space. I want it to switch over to my backdrop and change to my space backdrop. So once again, just to show the different changes, here's my title page. I click my cat, it says hello, and then it switches over to the space. So it's sort of floating up in space, so maybe I want my cat to come back down. So again, I can go back to events, when I receive space. Kind of want my cat maybe to, we'll say change, oh yeah, we'll glide again. I'm going to actually hold off on that. I'm going to put my cat down here. Now we update this. So again, green flag. My cat goes up, says hello, switches back onto space, and comes back down to the surface. So as you can see, we can use our broadcast signals to move between different scenes, and this will help you out in your project, A Scratch Story.